dance or something. I like boring.
Look at this big butt.
Who's that?
Yuritsa.
Yuritsa?
That's a nice butt. Yuritsa. Yeah. You're not supposed to show.
Record?
Is it a pop? How you zoom in?
And their MySpace, it says four guys, no, four handsome guys.
Guys, we're gonna wrap this up. We don't have much longer in class, so give me 10 minutes. Pay attention to me. Huh? What time is it? We can just do lunch. 12:15. 12:15.
Look at Yuritsa putting on makeup.
We're like using a pencil.
I know. Earthquake money, the earthquake. You need a pretty picture. Come on. I don't want to record you anyways. I can't. We're stopping her?
No one else.
We're stopping quick, like over there. Yuritsa! Turn around, let me see your butt.
We're trying to record your
Get out your
boobs.
notebook. We're just gonna take some notes.
Ow! Where's butt? Let me see your butt. I'm
Show your
recording.
butt. Munas.
do it, do it.
Do it. Julian did that in the
Who?
hallway.
Who's Julian?
Last year.
Come
You would talk to
on.
him if you were here.
I would. I want to see your butt. Come on.
Oh.
Oh, down there.
Down there.
Turn around.
Right there.
Oh no, not that butt. Say hi. You're going on YouTube and on
It's not
MySpace.
gonna be on YouTube.
Uh,